Hey, good morning, everybody. Robb. Guys, hope you had a nice Christmas. I got this for a Christmas present for my niece and nephews. I thought I'd do a review on it this morning. It's Magic Bullet Mini Blender. I've debated about getting one of these for years, but I put off because I have a Vitamix blender, I have a regular blender, and I have a stick blender that I use almost every single morning to make myself a blueberry shake. It's non-dairy, and it does a very good job, but the liquid splashes around. Sometimes it comes out the top. But I said, why should I get a mini blender? Well, they got one for Christmas, and I use it, and I'm so happy because it does an amazing job, and it's perfect for what I do with the shakes every morning. I make a shake with dried blueberries, and I let it sit in water overnight with no dairy, and a little bit of protein powder, and some Metamucil from Equate Daily Fiber, and Amla powder that I learned about from Dr. Greger on his channel on YouTube. It's very good for health. And I make myself a shake every morning. But today I made one in the mini blender this morning, and it's perfect. It's very smooth, and it grinds up all the berries. And this is dried blueberries I get on Amazon for like 30 bucks, 4 pounds. Lasts a very long time. And there's no dairy in this shake. So this is the mini blender. I'm sure you're familiar with it, but it comes with the blender motor, and it has a large cup for the liquids. Also, it has a small cup if you're making some grinding up fruit or vegetables, or making some sort of salads and stuff. You can use this to make sauces and things. And also, it has a little lid that you can put over the side of the cup. So if you're sensitive, you have something wrong with your mouth, this doesn't bother me at all. I didn't find any problem, but this comes with this. It goes on there if you need that. But I grew up with drinking out of a fruit jar or a mason jar. That's not a problem. But I have soaked the blueberries overnight with the stuff that I just mentioned. So let's stir it up to get all the berries off the bottom. And you put it into it. It takes a certain amount. It goes to the maximum right there. It works out good. The great thing about the mini blender that I see is the space, because you can put this in your refrigerator overnight and let the berries soak. And you can't do that with the Vitamix. Well, you can, but it's a very big container, the Vitamix. And the Vitamix is the best blender in the world, but it just takes up so much space. So we're going to put this on here. Now I'm going to have to unplug my lights so we can blend this up for like 30 seconds. We'll cut this part out. Maybe I should just move the camera. What a technological advancement. I'm baking some bread. Okay, let's pour the stuff we just blended into this container. You can see how well it grinded up the blueberries. Very good. When I use the stick blender, it doesn't do this good of a job. This is completely blended. With the stick blender, I just have big pieces of fruit that's not blended. So it makes a perfect shake. So I'm really enjoying this. It's going to be perfect for taking on trips. Not that I've taken any trips in the last 8 or 9 months, thanks to the COVID. Yeah, I'm really happy with this present. I can see myself using it a lot in the future for not just little shakes, but other things I can make in the kitchen that not as handy to be made with the stick blender and the Vitamix. So I'm really happy with this little present. I recommend. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it seems to be well made, and it does a perfect job of blending up the berries. Better than the stick blender, and probably better than the regular blender, but not better than the Vitamix. Guys, I put out new videos every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over 890 videos. A bunch of cool playlists and a bunch of neat people I feature on my channel. Or at least to me, they would deny it anyway. And I put new videos on every week. And I hope you all enjoy this video when you come back and watch more. Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.